সোমবার দুপুর থেকেই রাজভবনে দেখা গেল অভূতপূর্ব চিত্র। রাজ্যপালের নির্দেশে শুরু হয় ব্যাপক তল্লাশি অভিযান। সোমবারই উত্তরবঙ্গ সফর সেরে রাজভবনে ফেরার পরই অন্দরমহল ও প্রাঙ্গণ জুড়ে তল্লাশির নির্দেশ দেন রাজ্যপাল সিভি আনন্দ বোস। অতি দ্রুতই বোম স্কোয়াড, স্নিফার ডগ, সিআরপিএফ এবং কলকাতা পুলিশের দল রাজভবনে পৌঁছে যায়। দীর্ঘ সময় ধরে চলে সুচারু তল্লাশি পর্ব। অভিযান শেষে সোমবার দুপুর ৩টে নাগাদ তৃণমূল সাংসদ কল্যাণ বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়কে সরাসরি কঠোর ভাষায় আক্রমণ করেন রাজ্যপাল সিভি আনন্দ বোস।
The present combing of the Raj Bhavan has been necessitated by certain inflammatory and baseless comments made by one of the honorable members of Parliament. Caesar's wife must be above suspicion. Public have a right to know the truth. That is why this joint operation has been sanctioned. Now we are searching every nook and corner of the Raj Bhavan. So far nothing has been detected, and we hope nothing will be detected. If the false statement made by the Honorable MP is unearthed properly, much to the conviction of the people of Bengal, certainly strong legal action will be taken against the MP for alleging such things against the constitutional position. Moreover, his statements have been analyzed by legal pundits. There are certainly violations of the laws of the land, which is something which cannot be tolerated at all. This amounts to asking people to come in mutiny. So the wordings are analyzed by the experts. Action will be taken against the MP within the purview of the Constitution of India and the laws of the land.
Sir, do you think this is unprecedented incident?
I haven't looked into the history of joint combing in other Raj Bhavans, so I cannot answer that now.
Sir, would you write anything to the Speaker of Lok Sabha?
See, every step will be taken to re-establish the faith of the people in the constitutional office of governor. Nothing is ruled out, but we will not go for any knee-jerk reaction. First, I will establish the truth, then take action to see that the guilty are punished.
Sir, have you talked to Chief Minister?
What transpires between me and my esteemed constitutional colleague will remain confidential till it is released at the appropriate time. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.